Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to learn about the structure of teeth in this video. We'll learn what different types of teeth are there in human as well as in other animals. I am Ujwala and welcome to our channel UM Science. Here we'll learn the major types of teeth. The first we'll see what are they. There are majorly 4 different types of tooth are there. The first is incisors, second canines, 3 that is premolars, 4th is molar. The 5th type is generally not present in each and every organism, so it is the subsidiary one. These different teeth have different jobs. That is why they have different name and different characteristics. So let us see how different types are there. So you can see the first, that is incisor, look like this. The second figure shows the molar, generally have for grinding purpose. Then premolar, as it is present just before the molar, so it is named premolar. And canine, which is little pointed in structure. First, the types of teeth are arranged in a unique sequence. So our teeth are divided upon 5 major types, which are incisor, that is the first 4 front teeth, then after the canine, after the incisor, then after molar, and then premolar. As the third, that is third molar, also known as wisdom teeth, not present in everyone. So one by one let us see. First, that is the incisors. These are cutting teeth used for cutting and biting off pieces of food. So primarily they are helping us to take a bite of food. Not only this, but the incisor are the 8 teeth in the front and center of your mouth. That is 4 on the top side and 4 on bottom side. So total there are 8 in number. Other than that, these are the teeth that you use to take bites of your food. And the incisors are usually the first teeth to erupt at around 6 months of age for your first set of teeth, and between 6 and 8 years of age of your adult set. Then after the second number of teeth comes canine. As per its name, that these are the long and sharp teeth that are used to hold and tear at food. So generally it is much prominent in case of animal and it is less pointed in case of humans. Then comes the canine above, which your canines are just the next type of teeth after the incisor, and these are your sharpest teeth and are used for ripping and tearing food apart. Not only this, the primarily canines generally appear between 16 and 20 months of your age, with the upper canines coming in just ahead of the lower canines. In permanent teeth, the order is reversed, where lower canines erupt around age 9, with the upper arriving between 11 and 12 years of age. Then comes the premolars. Actually, they are present before the molar teeth, that is why the name comes premolars. These teeth are used to crush and grind soft foods. And the premolars or bicuspids are used for chewing and grinding the food. They are known as bicuspid because they are protruded little upper side from to the and the 2 main areas. That is why they are known as bicuspids. Other than that, you have 4 premolars on each side of your mouth and 2 on the upper and 2 on the lower jaw. So total they are 4 in number. The first premolars appear around age 10 and the second premolar arrive about the year later on. Now the last, that is the molar teeth, These teeth are used for chewing and grinding the hard food. So the major work for food grinding is done by these molars. The primary molars are also used for chewing and grinding the food, and these appear between the age 12 and 5 months. These molars are replaced by the first and second permanent molars, which comes afterwards. So 4 upper and 4 lower, total they are 8 in number. The first molars erupt around 6 years of age, while the second molar comes in between 11 to 13 years of age. So that is the difference between the molar and other premolar. Now the third molar, which is also known as the wisdom teeth. So they are the last teeth in the sequence of our dentine. Here, these are the last teeth to develop and do not typically erupt until age 18 to 20. And some people never develop this third molar at all. So as I discussed earlier, it is not present in many of the people. For those who do this molar may cause crowding and need to be removed, because actually this was earlier in function, but nowadays our food habits and diets are totally changed. That is why they are of no use. So if they produce, they need to be removed first. Now just think about herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Do you think a herbivorous will a different set of teeth compared to a carnivorous? Then why? And what type of teeth does an omnivorous have? Let us see. First, what kind of teeth does a sheep have, as it is herbivorous? The meaning of herbivorous means the animal who eat plant material only. So here, as in the figure, you can see that the sheep contain incisor in the front portion, and upper side there is diastema. After that, there are only two types of teeth, that is molar and premolars. Here the herbivores, they are plant eaters, have incisor to bite off leaves and molars to grind the leaves. But they do not need canine because they are not eating any meat or non-vegetarian material. So this is the skeleton, shows the front incisor as well as the other molar structure. Now, what kind of teeth does a lion have, as he is a carnivorous? The carnivorous are the meat eaters, have sharp canines to kill other animal and tear the flesh. That is why they need incisor at the front and then after a very prominent canine. Afterwards, to chew and to grind the food, they always have molar and premolar. So this is the main structure between the carnivorous and the herbivorous. So this structure shows the very prominent canines at the front area. Now, who comes? It is ourselves. So what kind of teeth do we have? And why do we have different type of teeth? Because we all know that inside our mouth, we are not having the same teeth. Some are sharp, some are broad, and some are very fine. So what is their purpose? So now let us see each teeth one by one. First, that is incisor. In human, they have 8 in number together and 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. About the shape, they are shovel shaped structure, and about the function, they used to biting and cutting the food. Now comes the canines. They are 4 in number, 1 in each quarter of the mouth on either side of the incisor. So total they are 4 in number as in the figure. The shape is generally pointed and sharp, and the function is used to curing and ripening the food. Now next is the premolar one. In each human, there are 8 premolars, 2 in each quarter of the mouth, and they are between the canine tooth and the molars. So they are in between these two type of teeth. Now about its shape, they are generally small and flat in the structure, and for the function is just to holding and crushing the food. Then after the important teeth, there are the molars. There are 8 molars, 2 in each quarter of the mouth. They are at the back of the mouth behind the premolar. Their shape are generally larger and flat as compared to the premolars. and the function is simple, that is the grinding of food. Now last, that is the wisdom teeth, generally not present in all humans. These can have up to 4 wisdom teeth, although not everyone has them. Everyone may have the one in each quarter of the mouth behind the molars. About its shape, they are large and flat, and they are just a third molar, nothing else. About its function, we need to focus in detail that does not have one now, because some scientists think that human ancestors needed a third molar to help grind down plant tissues from thicker leaves when humans still ate them. Since the diet of humans are changed and we don't need them. As the human diet changed, our mouth have become smaller, as we all know nowadays, and this is the reason why many people have their wisdom teeth extracted, taken out, and as there is no real room for the wisdom tooth, so it tends to grow inward and can become a problem for us. So we need to remove that as soon as possible. So this is how the whole structure of teeth is become a simple one. Now let us just revise what teeth we have studied. So the first, that is incisor, are the front 4 teeth at upper and lower side. Second, there is the sharp pointed canines. Then we learned about the premolars. There are 2 in each quarter, so total 8 in number. And there are molars after the premolars. There are also 8 in number in total. And the last teeth, that is the wisdom teeth. So this is how our whole teeth types are there if we talk about animal or human. Thank you very much.